How did pharmacology's history shape modern drug development? Imagine a world where medicines were just guesswork, made from herbs and minerals with no real understanding of how they worked. That was the case before pharmacology became a science. Early humans used plants and natural substances to treat ailments, but they didn't know why some worked and others didn't. Ancient texts and herbal guides tried to standardize how medicines were prepared, which was the first step toward consistency. These early efforts made sure that if you took a certain plant extract, you'd get roughly the same effect each time. Fast forward to the 19th century, and pharmacology started to become a real science. Scientists began isolating active ingredients from plants, like morphine from opium and quinine from cinchona bark. This was a game changer because now they could study exactly what part of the plant caused the effect. They could also control doses better, making medicines safer and more effective. Universities started creating dedicated departments for pharmacology, and researchers like Claude Bernard introduced controlled experiments. He showed how drugs interact with the body and how the body maintains stability despite external changes. In the early 20th century, the pharmaceutical industry grew rapidly. Companies worked closely with pharmacologists to develop new drugs. They used chemistry and biology to create synthetic medicines that weren't available before. This meant more options for treating infections, high blood pressure, and mental health issues. Clinical studies became more structured, helping doctors understand how drugs worked in real patients. Understanding this history is important for medical students because it shows how drug development moved from trial and error to a precise science. It highlights the importance of isolating active ingredients and testing them carefully. It also explains why modern drugs are standardized and safe. The collaboration between chemists, pharmacologists, and doctors is what brings new medicines from the lab to the bedside. So, the story of pharmacology's past shaped how we develop drugs today. It laid down the scientific principles that ensure medicines are effective, safe, and consistent. This history is the foundation of what you learn in medical school about how drugs are made and used to treat patients.